Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 22 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's challenge. So guys, here I have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So in this playlist, you will get all the updates from day 1 to day 24. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends, and guys, subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, now I am on my TryHackMe dashboard, so let's move to AOC. And guys, here you can see we have the day 22 challenge, that is C2 detection, command and carol. And guys, here you can see we are in the C2 detection command and carol room. So here we have the video 1 and here we have the video 2, and these are from the industrial experts. And guys, from here the story begins. So guys, here basically the story is the TVFC is very wary since the last series of attack by the underlining of King Malheur. So the Sir Elfo have a gift for the SOC team in the TVFC company. So he presented a powerful tool, that is the RITA, Real Intelligence Threat Analysis. So here basically in this room we have the task to convert a PCAP file into a Zeek log, and after that RITA will do the rest. So here we have the learning objectives like convert a PCAP to a Zeek log and use RITA to analyze the Zeek log, and after that we can analyze the output of RITA. As here we have the connecting to machine information, so we can start our machine from here, and now we can give a check and we can move to task 2. So guys, first of all let's discuss what the RITA is. RITA, or Real Intelligence Threat Analysis, is an open source framework created by Active Countermeasure. It is the core functionality is to detect command and control communication by analyzing network traffic, capture and logs, and its primary features are C2 beacon detection, DNS tunnel detection, long connection detection, data exfiltration detection, checking threat intel feed, score connection by severity, so the number of hosts communicating with the specific external IP, and at last so the dead time when the external host was first seen on the network. So now okay, here we have some of the information about the RITA framework, so you can go through this. And guys, now here basically we have two tasks. Like first of all we have to convert the PCAP file into the Zeek log, and after that we have to create our database and we can analyze the Zeek log and we can get out the flags. So here we have some of the information like how to convert the PCAP file to the Zeek log. So guys, you can go through all these informations, and now at last here you can find we have a practical task. Okay, so guys, we can do one thing, we can open our attack box in a full screen view, and here we'll stop this split screen, and here we have the questions. So guys, now we can start with our practical tasks. So first of all, at our terminal I can do a ls. So here guys, you can see we have the PCAP and we have the Zeek log. So I will simply move to PCAP using the CD, and simply we can give a ls here and enter. So guys, here you can see as per the instruction inside the PCAP we have the RITA challenge.pcap file. So okay, now we can simply check for the question. Like here you can see we have the path. Now we can come back from the PCAP and we can simply move inside the Zeek.log. So we will use the CD and we will give a ls here. So guys, here you can see we have some of the files inside this Zeek log. So we can do one thing, using the mkdir we can create another folder inside the Zeek log. So I will type RITA file and we can give enter. So now if we'll do the ls, and here you can see we have the RITA file inside the Zeek logs. So now we will convert our PCAP file into the Zeek log. So here I will type the command and we can simply give a enter. So now guys, you can see the Zeek docker container is starting and the Zeek log is saved to the home Ubuntu Zeek log and RITA file. So we can use the cd command and we can dive into this folder. So we will paste that and give enter. So now we are inside the RITA file. So here we will give a ls and we'll check. So guys, here you can see inside this RITA file, or means the folder that we have given the name as RITA file. So inside that we have found so many log files. So now we will do one thing. We can import the RITA and now we will create our database and we will give that name as RITA challenge. So now here you can see it's been creating, so we will wait for a while. So now you can see our database is already created. So we will view the RITA file here. So I will type the command and we can give enter. So guys, here you can see the RITA dashboard has been opened, and here we have the rabbit hole malware.net. Like we have so many information from here. So now we can put all these answers. So let's check for the first, how many hosts are communicating with the malware.net. Okay, let's check that. So here I think we have 5 files. So let's give a 5 and we can check. This is wrong. So okay, we can cross check once. So okay, here we can see after navigating inside this, we have another file here. So this is total 6. So we can give a 6 and check. So yes, this is correct. So now which thread modifier tells the number of hosts communicating to a certain destination? So here we have the prevalence. So I will type that. So yes, this is correct. So now here we have the third question, like what is the highest number of connection to the rabbit hole.malware.net. So for that we will use our arrow key to navigate to all these malware.net files. And guys, here you can see, like first we have 31 connection, then we have 40, then we have 38, then we have 29 and 18. So I think we have the highest is 40 and we can give a check. So yes, this is correct. So now which search filter would you use to search for the entries that communicate to rabbithole.malware.net with a beacon score greater than 70% and sort by the connection duration is descending. So here with the using the forward slash we can navigate to the search bar and I will type the command here. So guys, here you can see we have the full command. So I will simply copy this full command from here and we can paste that simply here. So guys, this is correct. So now time for the last question, like which port did the host 10.0.0.13 use to connect to rabbithole.malware.net? And guys, I think this port is 80. So let's check. Yes, this is correct. So now here you can see we have completed the C2 detection command and Carol room. So we'll give a continue. So from here also I got one advent of cyber tickets. We'll give a continue and we can simply move to Wareville. Guys, here you can see we have successfully completed the day 22 challenge. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 22 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more solutions, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.